Are you starting it again? Okay, Arman, are you there? Arman is not there. Then Charisma of class 8th A.
Sir, I want to explain one.
Prithvi, mute yourself. Yes, Charisma, are you there? Charisma class 8th. Charisma. Okay. Arman is also not there. Arman. Smriti Gupta. Then this is Smriti Gupta.
One second.
Prithvi.
Sir, please.
Your time is over, Prithvi. Now it's class 8's turn, please. Understand? Now it's class 8's turn. Yeah, Smriti, you can start. Smriti Gupta, you can start now. That child, Prithvi. Yeah, Samriti, you can start. Try to complete it well within time. You can check your mic, you can check your connections and start it. Okay, Samriti, you can check your connections. By that time, I am calling Chinmay Nirvan. Chinmay Nirvan. Chinmay, are you there? Chinmay Nirvan. Yes, Chinmay, start. Yeah. Place your camera well so that your face could be there on screen. Yeah, start.
Good morning, teachers and my friends. My name is Chinmay Nirvan from class 8B. My science project is on topic of hydraulic bridge. I made this project to show the bridges on the seas and oceans made with hydraulic systems. In this, normally cars can go through the bridge, and the the uh, the cruises and the big ships can also go through the ship. When they come, the the bridge will open like this, and when they will go, the bridge will automatically go down. When they when in this process, the seas the big ships are not stopped, and they can go easily through the sea. Thank you.
Okay, Chinmay. Thank you. Judges. Okay. So now next it's turn for Komal Suthar 8th B. Komal, are you there? Okay, Komal is there. Yeah, Komal, you can start.
My name is Komal Suthar. I'm studying class 8B. So my topic name is digestion in human being. Human being take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested food is defecated. The food we take passes through the specific canal which begins with the buccal cavity and the anus. This canal is called alimentary canal. The parts of the alimentary canal is esophagus, buccal cavity, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and the anus. The food get digest gradually that passes through the various parts of the tract. Digestive juice is secreted by the salivary gland, liver, and also aided digestion. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Komal. Now Samriti Gupta, I hope you have adjusted your internet connections. Samriti Gupta.
Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
you can start.
I was trying to preparing the
Speak
human.
loudly. Speak loudly.
Good morning, everybody. Today I am Smriti Gupta of class 8A was trying to prepare the human heart. Heart is the organ present in thoracic cavity. It helps in purification and transport of blood throughout the body. Heart is divided into four chambers to prevent the oxygenated mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. It, all the veins of the all the veins pour the deoxygenated blood into vena cava. From vena cava, it enters the right ventricle through the valve. From right ventricle, from right aorta, from the right aorta, it enters the right ventricle. From there, it enters the pulmonary artery. Now, the pulmonary artery carries the blood into carries the blood to the lungs for purification. After the purification, it transport is towards the back to the heart by the pulmonary veins. It helps that is poured into left auricle. Now it transport it enters the left ventricle by the bicuspid valve. Now it enters the aorta and help and supplies the blood to whole body of our by the arteries. Thank you.
Thank you. Now judges will ask you questions.
Smriti, you have
Yes,
explained very well. Now I think that you know from impure blood reaches the heart, from which part of the heart does impure blood enters, and from which part of the heart is the purified blood goes to the all tissues and cells of the body. Do you know?
yes, so
So there are blood vessels called veins and arteries which carry pure blood and impure blood. Do you know this?
yes, so
So now, can you tell me which blood vessel is responsible to carry the impure blood to lungs for its purification? Purification means loading of oxygen in the blood takes place. So I want to know that which blood vessel carries the impure blood from the heart to the lungs for its purification.
pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery
Yes, so
or pulmonary vein.
pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery is the blood vessel that carries impure blood from the heart to the lungs for purification.
Yes, so
Okay, very good. And which blood vessel carries the purified blood from the lungs to the heart for after purification?
pulmonary veins.
Very good, very good. Okay, well done, Smriti.
Okay. Thank you, Smriti Gupta. Now next, it's turn for Armanika. Arman, are you there? Armanika. Arman, final call for you. Armanika. Already you have missed your chance. Armanika. Okay, he is not there. Charisma. Charisma 8th. Charisma, are you there? Charisma. Okay. So Charisma is also not there. So here we have given chance to all the participants of class 8th. Yeah, now Prithvi, as you have prepared well and You deserve a chance. Prithvi, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah, Prithvi. Prithvi, now you can start.
Yes, sir. Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning. Today I, Prithvi Kumar, the student of class 7B, is here to present my project on topic health, hygiene and cleanliness. Sir, the name of my project is Working Model of Air Purifier to kill bacteria and viruses in a confined space. Sir, the objective of my project is to make an air purifier in less than rupees 2000 for lower income people and to save their lives by killing bacteria and viruses in a confined space. Sir, suppose if I am a rich person and if I got COVID infected, then sir, there are so many rooms in my house to be home isolated, and sir, I have enough. And sir, I have enough cash also. Cash also to buy costly air purifier. But sir, if I am poor, then sir, there is no. And if I got corona positive, then sir, there is not enough rooms in my house to be home isolated. And sir, I do not enough money also to be home isolated to buy costly air purifiers. Sir, in the market, the cost of air purifier is 25,000 to 20,000. But sir, I have made this working model of air purifier just in rupees 2,000 and less than 2,000. Sir, as you can see this yellow color object. Sir, this is an air compressor. Sir, this air compressor will suck the air from its surrounding and compress it and send it forward. Sir, after that you can see this filter on the top. Sir, this filter is just like a paper filter. Sir, this is a filter. Sir, this is cabinet. Sir, the cabinet filter is just like a paper filter.
बेटा आवाज गई आपकी, थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए.
Yes, sir. Sir, this filter is just like a paper filter, but its pore size is 0.5 micron. And sir, as we all know that the size of any bacteria and viruses is less than 1 micron and it will trap it. But sir, if the size of any bacteria and viruses is less than 0.5 micron, then sir, it will escape from it. Sir, after that I have installed a UV candle also. Sir, as we all know that UV light has a property to kill bacteria and viruses. And sir, after that, just to show you, sir, the bubbles are coming out, and sir, that means the air is pure. Thank you, sir.
Prithvi? Hello, Prithvi, can you hear me?
Sir,
Okay, you have explained very well. So, have you made this project on your own? You are not audible. Can you increase your volume? I cannot hear. You can check your settings. I cannot hear you, Prithvi.
sir, am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have made this own, but sir, I have taken the help of my.
Help of your father.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now you have you are showing working of this model that air is compressed. So how can you compress air? How can you compress air?
Sir, we can compress air by pushing it.
No, by increasing temperature or by reducing temperature, by increasing pressure or reducing pressure. I want to know the answer like this. By changing what factor can you compress the air?
Sir, by increasing pressure.
Yeah, very good. Well done. Well done, Prithvi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Prithvi, be there. Madam wants to ask another question.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Beta, you are using this term micron.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
1 micron equals to how many millimeters?
Ma'am, 1 lakh millimeter.
Okay. ठीक है.
ओके, थैंक यू. बेटा अपने क्लास लीव कर दे अभी. 8th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स.
Okay, sir.
बेटा कंप्लीट हो गया. 7th क्लास कंप्लीट हो गया. यू कैन लीव द क्लास. ओके.